Hey everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law classes. My name is Brijesh. I'm the English faculty at Manu Law classes. In today's session, I'm going to teach you 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. These words not only help you solving reading comprehension based questions, but also help you solve various vocab based questions. So let us start. The first word in the list is confluence. Confluence का मतलब होता है संगम, किन्हीं दो चीजों का, दो महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तियों का, कोई भी दो चीजें जब आपस में मिले, जैसे प्रयागराज में गंगा यमुना सरस्वती का मिलना, दैट इज कॉन्फ्लुएंस. किसी कॉन्सर्ट में अरिजीत सिंह का और जाकिर हुसैन का मिलना, दैट इज कॉन्फ्लुएंस. तो दो महत्वपूर्ण चीजों का या दो चीजों का मिलना इज कॉन्फ्लुएंस. द जंक्शन ऑफ टू रिवर्स, स्पेशली रिवर्स ऑफ द approximately equal with convergence again, and meeting, junction, joining, conflux. So conflux, convergence and confluence, they can be used interchangeably. The uses are the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna at Prayagraj. So जैसा कि मैंने बताया, दो चीजों का मिलना, that is confluence. Next word is lavish. Lavish मतलब काफी rich सा, right? So luxurious and elegant, sumptuous, luxurious, luxuriant, lush. Every room in this 5-star hotel was filled with lavish furnishing. समझ सकते हो lavish मतलब क्या? बहुत ही kind of rich, right? Insolent is rude and impolite. So impudent word we have discussed in a previous video. So impertinent, impudent again, cheeky, ill-mannered. The strict teacher does not tolerate insolent behavior in her classroom. So you can understand, कोई भी teacher behave इस तरह का नहीं बर्दाश्त करता. अगर आप क्लास में आए हो तो अच्छे से पढ़ो, right? The next word in the list is vagrant. That is a person without a settled home or regular work who wanders from one place to one and lives by begging. तो आप देखा होगा आपने, रोड के किनारे कुछ लोग होते हैं जिन्हें आप हिंदी में बंजारे बोल सकते हो. वो लोग ही वेग्रेंट कहलाते हैं, ठीक है, जो कि अपना घूम फिर कर किसी तरह खाना जुटाते हैं, पकाते हैं, फिर दूसरी जगह चले जाते हैं. तो ट्रैप, ड्रिफ्टर, डाउन एंड आउट, डेरेलिक्ट, beggars, itinerant, wanderer, these are the synonym of vagrant. The vagrant does not appear to work and frequently asks tourists for money. Next word is gregarious. Gregarious मतलब एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो sociable है, जो मिलनसार है, जो लोगों से मिलने में उसे अच्छा लगता है. is not introvert but extrovert. Fond of company of others, sociable, social, company loving, companionable, convenient. If you want to be more approachable, show a gregarious smile. So gregarious मतलब a person जो मिलनसार है. Next word in the list is enigma. It is a person or thing that is mysterious or difficult to understand. So enigma क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज जो perplexed है, confusing है समझने में. So mystery, puzzle, riddle, conundrum, paradox, problem. The magician trick was an enigma to everyone in the audience. So enigma means आप समझ सकते कोई चीज जो difficult है समझने में. Osage is kind of alleviate, जो आराम कर दे, कम कर दे, right? To relieve or ease unpleasant feeling. So relieve is alleviate, I just mentioned. Soothe, mitigate and dampen. Mother Teresa believed we could assuage the suffering of poor by helping those in need. So assuage मतलब किसी भी situation को कम कर देना, unpleasant situation को कम कर देना, right? So let's say somebody is sad, you went home, you hugged him and he becomes happy. So you just assuaged his feeling. Sanguine is optimistic, hopeful, confident about the future. Optimistic and sanguine both are similar in nature, right? Bullish, hopeful, buoyant and positive. So bullish is also in a periphery of this word sanguine. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो, क्योंकि they are quite happy, they just want to make people sad, right? The bank manager did not feel sanguine about recovering the loan. So optimistic means hopeful. The next word in the list is apocryphal. Apocryphal means उन बिलीफ को जो आपके आसपास है, जैसे बिल्ली का रास्ता काट देना या कोई भी ऐसी बिलीफ है जो वाइडली ट्रूथ मानी जाती है बट वो जरूरी है या जेन्युइन है, ये बात सच है या नहीं, ये पता नहीं लगाया जा सकता. सो वेल नोन बट प्रोबेबली नॉट ट्रू, राइट? फिक्टिशियस, made up, untrue, fabricated, false. So apocryphal can be like fabricated, fictitious, which sounds like true but not exactly. The old man often shared apocryphal ghost stories with anyone who would listen to, right? So well known, कोई चीज जो अच्छे से जानते हैं सब लोग, लेकिन वो जरूरी है सच हो या नहीं, that is apocryphal. Adage, Adage is a proverb or short statement expressing a general truth. तो जो कहावतें मुहावरे आप सुनते हो जो बहुत बड़ी बातों को एक छोटे से लाइन में कह देती है, जैसा जैसा कर्म करोगे वैसा पाओगे, राइट, जैसा बोओगे वैसा काटोगे, ईमानदारी एक अच्छी नीति है. सो दीज ऑल आर अडेज जो कि छोटी सी लाइन में बहुत बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन को आपको देता है. Saying, maxim, axiom, proverb, slogan, these are synonymous to adage. Some old saying are good advice, but that adage you quoted in your speech is just plain silly, right? So this is just an example. इसमें बोला गया है कि adage मतलब एक quote, कोई proverb को सामने रखा गया है. So I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video. Rewatch the video in case you have any doubt. Do comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Follow us on various social media platforms for regular updates on law and related to information of CLAT. All the very best for your upcoming examination. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.